Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to DIY Glam by Jazz. So today I want to share with you guys some cute projects for around the Christmas time. All of these items I got from the Dollar Tree. So the first one we're going to talk about is this cute crate. That's this cute wooden crate that we have seen. And you will see, guys, you only need just a few items. These are just the vase filler. And these colors are the ones for Thanksgiving. So since I usually don't see the ones for Christmas, I wanted to change this up. So what I did was I put them in a box and I spray painted them. Once I was spray painted, I added right away some of the glitter that I had, a silver glitter. I rolled them around, just make sure that all that silver was sticking to these little base filler balls. So once we did that, I took that crate and I painted that with some acrylic paint in white. And now we're just ready to create this cute DIY for the holidays. I'm thinking of putting this on my table. So now this is how the balls look like. And what I'm going to do is just start gluing them. Just select the size that you think is going to best fit. And we're going to put them all around on the rim, the top part of the wood crate. If you guys would like to paint the inside, that is up to you. But the inside is not really showing. Or you could paint it with another color if you like. In this case, I just wanted to paint it white. And now we're just going to go ahead and use the hot glue and apply those balls. So once I select the size that I really liked, then I kept it consistent all throughout on the first top layer. Now that the top part is completed, I took some of the floral foam and I just played with whatever arrangements you like from the Dollar Tree. I think this works so cute because it has that cotton ball. I feel like it goes so well with the balls that we put around. So now what I'm going to go ahead and is cut them and start placing them on that foam. And this one, guys, look at this, it's perfect. It has some little balls there too, and you guys could get creative. You could put anything else, any other colors or any type of arrangements. What I like is that I found these all from the Dollar Tree, so just on this project alone it was way less than $5. So go ahead and start placing them and have fun adding these floral arrangements to this cute wooden crate. Guys, how cute is this? And to cover that foam, I just used some of those greeneries that were left and just hot glue it on the bottom. I love how this came out. So let's go ahead and move on to another project that is super simple, but I was very impressed with these vase that I found at the Dollar Tree. Look at the shape, look at this color, look at the way they already shine on its own. I did not want to spray paint them at all. I like them how they look. I got these also from the Dollar Tree. They come in different sizes, so that's exactly what I did. I got two separate sides, and then I used E6000. I want to make sure that that vase is holding so well, or that candle holder is holding so well with the other bottom piece. Hot glue it, and I also used the E6000. I let it set overnight or for a few hours. So now this is the fun part. We're gonna put a trim of just crushed glass in the border. So what I did was use some Mod Podge and then apply some of the crushed glass around the trim. And once I finish, I let it dry. Once I let it dry, then I do another coat just to make sure that there was enough. So just be careful, because if you put a lot of that Mod Podge, it could slide down. And if it does slide down, then just put the candle holder upside down. So that way, if it slides down a little bit, it will remain on the rim of this candle holder. So here's all set. I'm doing the second coat. And where I see that it needs more of that crushed glass, then I add a little bit more. And since it's already wet with the Mod Podge, I right away add some of that glitter to give it more sparkle to the crushed glass. So now I feel like it has more sparkle, more glam. And you guys could be creative and use maybe another glitter color if you like. I love how these came out, and I just can't wait to apply some candles in there, and I kind of think it's going to look even more romantic. So for the third project that we have from the Dollar Tree, yes, most of these we use glitter in all three. The next one is that peace sign. They have different signs in the Dollar Tree, and I like that it's very heavy, it's very sturdy. So in this one, I'm measuring the size of the actual sign from top to bottom. And then from there, I divide that amount into 3. So once I see that I have an even amount between 3, then I mark that down, and I believe it was 1 inch. And here is that other part. That way I'll know exactly where to measure on the other side. I do a line, and the reason is because you saw that it's going to have 3 different types of glitter. And I wanted to make sure that it looks kind of even and uniform. And the best thing is that you guys could use any glitter color, all 3 colors that you would like for your house. So in this case, I'm using silver, and I'm going to be using that white, almost white color. And I'm just going to be applying the acrylic paint just on the bottom and the top, and the middle I am going to leave as is. We're going to apply a different color for the middle. So go ahead and I use the acrylic paint all on the top and on the bottom. And let that line that you drew to divide evenly to be your guide. Since I'm using silver glitter is the reason why I apply a glitter or silver metallic paint acrylic in the middle. And so that way that silver effect does come through a lot more, but you guys could just paint it all white if you like. So in this case, in the center, is the last thing that I applied was that metallic acrylic in silver. Everything else has dried out. Then I started to apply the glitter, but this acrylic paint dries so quicker that I just applied another coat, and right away I applied that glitter. So I let this set for a little bit. I want to make sure that this dry out. And in the bottom, you could apply more of the acrylic white paint, but in this case, I just applied Mod Podge on the bottom, and I'm using this glitter. It's hard to tell in the video, but this glitter has that opal effect, and I like the color, but you guys can use another color if you like. So that's what I use all the way in the bottom. And then for the top, I wanted to use another color, and in this case I use kind of like a gold glitter, and I applied that Mod Podge, and I applied that glitter all on the top. But you guys could have so much fun and make this your own and use any colors you would like. So guys, I love how this came out. Look at the colors on this peace sign, and right next to it you guys get to see other projects that we did on this video. I hope you enjoyed all these ideas from the Dollar Tree. They're super simple. You just need a few items from the Dollar Tree, so affordable, but yet they look so glam for the holiday. So I hope you're having a wonderful day, a wonderful weekend, and thank you guys for watching, and until the next video, bye.